we need this, and we're going in the garage. And she's coming with us. She's coming with us. Definitely she is. Alright, so the good thing about putting new lights in the garage, it's so bright and my camera doesn't focus. So what's up guys, welcome to the vlog game match as always. Today I gotta share with you guys my decision about the Corvette. And I know, I really appreciate you guys' support. And what is the best way to talk about the Corvette other than inside of the Corvette? We cannot go out. It's because it's rainy. It is rainy and it's cold. So it's kind of a combination of things that we don't want. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stay here and talk about the Corvette, and we also gonna buy stuff for the Corvette and also for the truck. Today it's kind of 2 in 1. Last video I didn't show you guys inside, but the things I have done, and I will probably do more. It's cold. I changed the center console. Sorry, my dog is all over the place. Go back there. Console for the deeped carbon fiber. I upgraded the sound system. I put like my favorite phone mount. Also I upgrade everything, as you guys can see, is LED. Everything's LED. I wrapped those parts. I'll probably wrap this one though because it looks really bad. As you guys can see, I don't know what they did here, but I don't know if I can wrap this or maybe get a new one. But I did a bunch of stuff. I just think here is the best place to talk about this because post that video for sale, which actually was a clickbait, and I'm sorry for that. I just wanna really hear your guys' opinion about the Corvette. I read all the comments and I replied every single person that left me a comment because I really appreciate your guys' help. It's funny because when you are reading through the comments, you have people that say, sure, sell the Corvette, doesn't really matter, don't watch. And you also have people, dude, I love it, I'm gonna watch your content, doesn't matter what. So that really means a lot to me. All the comments, not even just the good ones, the ones that say sell as well. I read the comments and I sleep on it and I thought about it, I pray about it. And just for you guys know, I'm a Christian, so every big decision I made, I try to pray about it. I'm not here to preach for you guys, I just want to share with you guys what I normally do when I need to make a decision. To get this car, I was praying for about more than 5 years. And now I got it, and I started thinking about to sell, to produce more content. And you know what? After see that people love my content, doesn't matter what I do. That means you guys have no idea how much that means to me. If you left that comment like in that regard, I really appreciate your support. My prayer is that God bless you so much and support your dreams and keep you working hard. I'm quite sure you're gonna get what you want. That's what I'm doing, and I want to share that with you guys so you guys can get your dreams as well as I'm doing. Long story short, after reading all the comments and thinking about it and rethinking, talking with my wife and everything else, I came to the conclusion it would be not fair with myself to sell the Corvette. I worked so hard to give up on this thing. I work so hard. You guys have no idea. Sometimes YouTube just show, I'm taking delivery of the car, and that's basically what you guys saw. But I had so much stuff, behind the scenes from that video. That video was just like the final piece of the puzzle. So which is funny because I see some of you guys can see that and you guys really appreciate it. But again, it would not be fair. I'm not gonna give up. I will work hard as much as I can to produce content with it, and I'm gonna make this Corvette unique. I would do the same thing I did when when I was planning with the Colorado. Towards the end of the year, we're gonna make a list of things we want to get done, so that's gonna motivate me to get those things done. And I'm gonna try to do what I'm doing, being myself, produce content for you guys in this way that I always do, try to have fun and show that if you want something, you want to work hard for it, you have to work hard for it, you have to be persistent. You have to, you know, you cannot give up. That's why I thought, like, you know, I got the Corvette. It's not the most expensive car in the world, but it's a lot to me. That's a reflection of my hard work. And when I started thinking about it and reading you guys' comments, I was like, I will keep it. I'm not sure how it's gonna be. It's gonna be how, you know, how I feel like doing it, as has been in the past. Like, if I feel like doing Colorado stuff, I'll do. If I feel like doing Corvette stuff, I'll do it. I hope you guys can enjoy the content with the Corvette, because that means a lot to me that you guys enjoy the content of the Corvette. But at the same time, I will build my cars around my desire and around my friends, and that's the goal. Having fun, I have friends, and motivate you guys, take you guys with me. I can show to you guys that it's possible. That's one of my main goals. I'll take guys with me in each step I make with this car, and you better enjoy this view here, because it's gonna change. It's gonna change. This car is gonna be unique. That being said, I really hope you guys understand the fact that I would like to share with you guys everything I do. I wasn't sure if I should post that video or not, but at the end of the day, I was like, I want to hear them. That's it. And I really appreciate if you left your comment. I try to reply every single comment. If I missed you, it's because you probably left a comment after a couple of videos, if that makes sense, right? Here we are to talk about mods, right? So I'm gonna go to my office now, and we're gonna buy parts for the truck and for the Corvette. So let's do it, because I need a computer, so I cannot do this here in the car, so you know how that it is. So I want to show you guys what we're buying and how we are buying. All right, so let's do it upstairs. Okay, before we go upstairs, what I'm gonna buy the vinyl. I'm gonna wrap the roof. It's just because I want to make sure that it looks better, and I want to practice also my skills of wrapping. And so if you guys know where I can buy those rubbers, because you see mine, it's really bad shape. I want to replace those. If you guys know where I can buy, let me know in the comments below. That would be very helpful. And also, I'm gonna, not now, but I'm gonna paint the calipers, and I have something special. And I'm gonna buy the rock lights right now. So we're gonna buy the vinyl, and we're gonna buy the rock lights. Yeah, I did something, I don't know if it's gonna work, but my camera is facing my monitor, so bear with me, right? It's just easier to edit it. Okay, I think I need 5x5, because 3x5 is not gonna be enough. That's more or less how that goes. I hope you guys can see. It's like a gloss. This is the normally wrap that I use, so it's pretty good, easy to work with. So 5x5. I normally read the reviews and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna add to the car. I bought the vinyl. Now the other part we're gonna do, it's adrenaline rough road. So rock lights. The one I'm gonna get, it's the 12 piece, which I believe it's the best one, so that's how it's gonna look like. I might put something on the grill like this picture here, yeah, like this one here for now. And if down the road I decide to do something different, I can just change. What are we gonna do? We're gonna go here, and by the way, there's a link on the description below you can use to have like 10% discount. Make sure to use it. I'm gonna do my checkout here. Yeah, that's the one I'm buying. It's really easy to install, but we're gonna install that together, so don't worry about it. All right, boys, that's it for today's upload. I hope you guys enjoy it. So again, thank you so much for the support with the Corvette. I hope you guys understand my, you know, the fact I was sharing that with you. Everything you saw, there's a link on the description below for the vinyl, for the rock lights. As soon as I get those things here, we're gonna install together. I'm not sure which one is gonna show up first. Maybe it's gonna be the vinyl, but I'm super excited for those two. I hope you guys enjoy. I will see you guys tomorrow for sure. As always, never forget, enjoy your life.